It's time for another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you a Yeah, that's how we do it. No, Pinkie Pie. I did it Ram style. Okay, after that inconvenient interruption, we are back in business. First thing on the agenda. You're probably freaking out over that troll copyright notice and wondering who did it. Nope, it was not Chuck Testa. Second thing. You're probably saying to yourself, as I just said, nope, Chuck Testa. Or nope, it wasn't Chuck Testa. Cool story, bro. Enough of the memes. Third thing on the agenda. Cranium and Compware have partnered up. So, yeah, we've partnered up after that real copyright dispute that the intro was based off of. So you can check Cranium out, facebook.com/cranium, and check out our Compware on Facebook, whatever my Facebook link is. Fourth thing, just want to point out that the code that you're going to be shown in the video is originally from Cranium. They sent me the code, and I kind of improved on it. And by kind of, I mean I did improve on it. So it's kind of a collaborative code, originally from Cranium. Let's get to the actual tutorial. I'm going to show you an advanced way of showing time in Visual Basic. Now, get your window. I'm actually going to show you with two labels. The project file in the description will only have this cool label right there. So you want to add in the label and the timers. Make sure the timers are set to true. Yeah, they're set to true. Now, what you would normally put to show time is this code. Label1.text equals my.computer.clock.localtime.toString. That's the code I showed you in Pony Part 1 on how to show the time. Sure, that works, but the time's going to end up like that. 11/8/2011 and that time with the seconds. We're actually going to show you how to make this sort of format with the Tuesday, November 8th, 2011 at 7:22 p.m. without the seconds. So we don't want the seconds ticking every second. So you're going to add in this new code. Intimidating, huh? This long block of code to just show the time and date. Well, it's not all that difficult. Let me explain it. Dim dom, literally it's dom, as string equals date.now.day. So we're going to define dom as the day. Dim day as string equals date.now.day of the week. So we're going to define day as the day of the week. Dim days as string, we're going to get to that later. Dim month as string equals date.now.month. So month will be the month. Months, or dim.months as string, we're going to get to that. Dim year as string equals date.now.year. We're going to define year as the year. Dim min as string equals time of day dot minute. Min will be the minute. Dim hour as string time of day dot hour. We're going to define hour as the hour. Hour 12, we're going to get to that. And dim AM PM as string, we're going to get to that. Now for the time part. If hour is less than 13, then if hour equals 0, then hour 12 equals 12, AM, PM equals AM, else hour 12 equals hour, AM, PM equals AM. What this if-then statement is that since hour, which is, or if hour, which is this hour, current hour right here, that'll be less than 13, so this is going to run on a 24-hour clock, actually. If the hour is less than 13, then if the hour is 0, which is midnight, it's going to show up as 12, and then AM, else, hour 12, which is be the hour, and then AM, PM would be AM. But there's more to it. Else, if hour equals 13, then hour 12 equals 1, AM, PM equals PM. So if the hour is 13, then it'll show up as 1 o'clock p.m. We just keep doing that until 12 or 24, 12 o'clock. Now for the days of the week. If you didn't know, the days are counted through values like this. So if day equals 0, then the day is Sunday. Else if day equals 1, then the day is Monday. Day equals 2 is Tuesday. Day equals 3, days equals Wednesday. Day equals 4, days equals Thursday. Day equals 5, days equals Friday. Day equals 6, days equals Saturday. So if the day has that value, then the days, or the day's value, will have the corresponding date. So today is Tuesday. So the value would be 2 right now, and Tuesday would show up. Now, obviously, the months have a numeric value also. So if month equals 1, then months equals January. Else, if month equals 2, then months equals February. 3, March, 4, April, 5, yada, yada, yada. So in this case, today is, this month is November. So the numeric value would be 11, and November would be the value for months. Now on to the minutes. If not min is greater than 9, then min equals 0 plus the minute. So if the minute is like you're in 1 minute into the hour, then the 0 would appear before the 1, like regular time. So now we all put it together. Label 2, which is the cool looking font right here, or the cool looking label. Label 2.text equals days. This value right here, Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Comma, space, months, which is this value right here. That just tells us the months. Add in a space, DOM, which is the current day. So today's the 8th, so 8 would be in place of DOM. Add in a comma, space, and then the year, which is this value up here. Dim year as string equals date.now.year. Add in a space, hour 12, which is these values right here. So if it's 20, the hour is 20, then 8 would show up like it is right now. Let's add a colon, min, which is right here, and defined by min as string as time of day dot minute. That would show up after that, and then space AM PM, which is defined up here with the hours. So we have the timer there set to true. Now if we run this, you can see a difference there. There is the seconds ticking with the date in a shortened format. Here we have it in a word format. Tuesday, November 8th, 2011 at 8:01 p.m. So, yeah, it ticked over right there, and that ticked over right there. This is much simpler, and it's much simpler. People would want to read that than having to stare at the seconds all the time. So I'll have the source code in the description, and remember, the credit goes out to Cranium Software for the original code. So thanks, Cranium, and see you later.